Welcome to part 2 of introducing my Amazon commercial True RMS graphical multimeter, model number 90DM890. And I'm getting ready to start to show you a real-time graphicking, real-time graphicking with this multimeter. So this is, I'm gonna turn it on right where it's already on right now. I'm gonna go to the graph menu and we'll see. Let me get it up. There we go. I have it connected to my Variac transformer, so I'll be going up and down just to show you how it looks. Right now we have it's at 40 volts, as you see. This is 40 volts, and this is the graphing line right here. So I'm gonna bring it back down to like 24 volts just to show you how it looks. Then I'm gonna go down even lower than that. Bring it all the way down. Remember, this is real-time graphicking. So I'm gonna bring it back up to 120 volts just to give you an idea of how it looks. Okay, that's close enough. We got it at 122. But anyway, as you see, that's real-time graphicking display right here. And you just go up and down with it just to give you an idea of how it looks. Okay. You know, this little multimeter for its size, it's like a mini computer. Now, to keep y'all looking forward to this, the next time I do a video on this multimeter, I just want to do one on this multimeter today alone, but the next time I do a video coming up in the future, I'm going to put it side by side with 2 other graphical multimeters. One of them is it's a dominant multimeter of the graphical multimeter graphical world, and you know it, the Fluke 289, and that's the flagship of graphical multimeters in my book. So I'm going to compare the features on that one and the accuracy of this one compared to the Fluke. Also, compare it with one more graphical multimeter as well, and so that'll be the next video. Y'all stay tuned to that. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it now. Do it now. And let me see what else I want to show you guys. But while I'm here, just to keep you guys interested, I'm gonna pair this multimeter up just to see the accuracy. This multimeter. Okay. I'm gonna pair it up with my FLIR multimeter here, and just to see the accuracy, I have to make sure I put these in the right ports, because last time I was doing a video, and I was doing a video, and I was rushing through it, and I made a mistake. I put the 2 wires on top of the same wire on top of each other. Now, what I'm gonna do here, I'm going to just see how well these 2, how should I say, how accurate this multimeter is. This FLIR is very accurate. Now, also, I'm gonna use those of you who have I don't have a measure a tape near me so I can measure. But anyway, this is 7.3 inches. So I would say this maybe 8 inches. So, but you can see how small it is compared to the FLIR. So I'm going to turn both of them up, and I'm gonna put them on 24 volts. And matter of fact, I'm gonna put it on 10. Now I'm gonna let it settle. Tell you what, it's within range. It's over just a little by 0.1, but it's within spec. So I'm gonna go up a little. I'm gonna try 30. With this thing here, my Variac says 30, but it may be. Anyway, we do have it. It's 34 volts, 6. Yep, it's within spec. It's holding. I'm gonna do 120. Okay, it's holding. It's holding so far. One more thing I want to do. I want to just weigh it and just to see. I'm gonna go. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get my scale. Give me a few seconds, man. Okay, so I think it's pretty accurate. So let me get this out of the way. I just want to weigh it and see how much it weighs. It weighs 15 ounces. 15.10 ounces. It's not a lot. So, I don't know how many of you have a flare multimeter. So, I don't know if you know how heavy this is, but most of you have Fluke 87. So, I'm going to just put this on here so you guys will see. This weighs 1 pound, 4 ounces. And this weighs 15 ounces. It doesn't feel like, it doesn't, again, man, it doesn't feel cheap at all. It don't. And I'm going to compare, let me put it up side by side next to the Fluke. I'm going to show you guys just how thick it is compared to the Fluke. Okay, to 87. And the height. And, okay, and I'm going to see if the Fluke can hide this one. Yes, it can. I'm going to see if it can hide the Fluke. No, it can't. But this is still a good multimeter. For everyday use, I would trust it. I would trust it. I think it's worth it. I really do. I really do. So, with that being said, man, I want to thank you all, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't miss out on the next video when I compare this with the heavyweight, which is the Fluke 289. Also, I'm gonna compare it with my other real-time scope meter. I did a review on it already, but I'm just gonna keep that a secret. But you saw it already. I've done a video on it already. But I'll put that up against this also, and that'll be the next a video in the future. So with that being said, man, let me see if I covered everything about it. Oh no, I didn't. I didn't. Let me go on and tell you what all it does. The features on it. The features that it has on here. Okay. Okay. They have AC/DC current, frequency and duty cycle. They have 4 to 20 milliamp measurement, AC/DC current, frequency, duty cycle, uh, AC/DC current, frequency, duty cycle, 10 milliamps. They have charging mode, off charging mode, AC voltage, DC voltage, and AC plus DC voltage, AC voltage millivolts, frequency, duty cycle, resistance, continuity, capacitance, diode test, temperature, and yeah, and up here also they have the battery indicator up here, how much left. They have the time. Also, the date, I suppose the date will be posted when you're doing recordings. It will be saved with the recording, so that's why they showed that. Remember, they have graph, they have mode, they have min-max. That's what I should have done, min-max. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that now with the min-max, and I'm gonna see. I'm gonna put that up against. What did I? Since I'm here, let's do it with the Fluke. Let's do it with the Fluke 87, since it's right here already. I didn't do that before, but I'm going to do it now. I'm going to try the min-max feature. All right. Okay. Min-max. Okay. Okay. Bring it up high as it can go. The only problem with this min-max, as you know, it doesn't show like this one. That'll be a feature that's on the 289, and I intend to do this again with the 289 and see just how the numbers, how close they are. But as far as the accuracy of the voltage, 4.5. This says 4.7. So I don't know. This Fluke is way over 10 years old, maybe 15 years old, but I still trust this fluke. Anyways, 4.5 for 4.7. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it off, and I want to check the min-max on them. Okay, so 11.5. 10 point. Oh, I should have put a hold on it. 10.6. No, this doesn't say 10 at all. Maybe I was doing something wrong. Max, min. Okay, no, it's going right, but it's 0.11. No, it never was that. The average was 10.36. No, that was wrong. Tell you what, I want to do this with another meter. Since I already went there with y'all. And I'm almost forced to pull this out and put this on the side now. I'm forced to do it because I want to see this min-max feature. I won't do a whole review on it, but I'm going to do this min-max because I've started it, fellas, and I don't want to leave the review incomplete. So this is min-max. So I'm gonna try to do it on here also. Okay, so okay. There we go, so you guys can see it. So I'm gonna turn it back on. I'm gonna play around. I'm gonna well, remember I said I think the fluke was correct to 87. Well, according to this, I think the fluke to 87 was maybe off a little because this 289 is calibrated, and this Amazon is almost exactly what's saying what this says. So I'm gonna go up and down a little while, and I just want to play with the min max and just see how close they are to each other. Okay, I have the Variax set on highest it can go. It says 130 here on the dial, but I see that's reading 150. So I'm gonna go down some just so these numbers could change right here. I'm gonna leave it on average for a little while, and I'm gonna see if the average gonna change. I'm gonna leave it on 103, and I'm gonna see if the average here is gonna change, because this one says 20 and this says 50. So I just want to see. I'm trying to get this one to change. They both says one at the top max 150.49, 150.91. But both the present voltage, both of them are like spot on with each other, basically. Okay. I just turn it to 0. Turn it off. Let me see what happens. I see this went all the way to 0. Let me see how long it took the fluke to get to 0. To 0 itself out. Okay, it did down here. The zeros, that's the min, 0. And the average is 48 here, and it's 23 over here. So I'm going to turn it back on, and we'll go from there, and I'm going to see. The present voltage is the same, 4.7. I tell you what, the speed is kind of faster than the fluke from the way it looks. You guys, you comment on it. Let me know, because I'm trying to keep my eyes on this very accurate at the same time, and the dial. And I'm not watching this, but if y'all see anything that I don't see, comment and let me know what's going on. But anyway, that's it. And we'll do. I just turned it off. So what I'm going to do is, the next time, I'll do a video side by side, more in-depth video side by side with these two, and together, and plus another one, and we'll just see, because I want to compare the graphics and all. So overall, I think this is a real good meter. I think it's a real good meter. Very good. I like it. I like it. I think it's worth the money. It's small. It's compact. It's not as big as the 89, as you see. And I don't want to, it's not as big as the 89, but, you know, it's something that you can carry around with you or have it on your bench. Have it on your bench. This is a real nice little meter. So, with that being said, man, I want to thank you guys again for putting up with me when I'm trying to get, when all this was going wrong, what I was trying to do. But if you see anything, that you want to comment on, man, do so. Y'all guys been leaving a lot of commentary, and I appreciate it. And I'll try my best to answer you as soon as you send it through. And we'll talk Tuesdays as always. I appreciate you. And I thank you for sharing, subscribing, again, your comments. And with that being said, man, I hope I did a pretty decent job. I'm pretty new at this stuff, doing videos. So thank you. And until next time, stay tuned and subscribe so you'll catch the next video. Peace out.